Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our DWI with Child Endangerment Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with DWI with child endangerment in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your DWI with child endangerment charge. Contact one of our Missouri DWI with child endangerment defense lawyers today at 314-900, help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all DWI with child endangerment defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our DWI with child endangerment defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. DWI with child endangerment defense lawyers in Missouri. Combs Waterkotte is the leading criminal defense and traffic firm serving St. Louis and the entire state of Missouri. Our criminal defense attorneys will fight for your freedom, your rights, and will not give up until you get fair justice. Our exceptional record and over 350 reviews speak for themselves. Whether you have been charged with a crime or ticket, we can help. What is DWI with child endangerment in Missouri? If you are stopped on suspicion of DWI, you're facing serious consequences. However, when a child is involved, the stakes are even higher. Being charged with DWI with child endangerment not only increases the severity of the potential penalties, but can also affect your personal life, your child custody or visitation rights, your family, and your future. If you're facing these charges, having an experienced criminal defense attorney is critical to protecting your rights and securing the best possible outcome. The Combs Waterkotte DWI/DUI lawyers have over 40 years of experience successfully handling cases just like yours. In Missouri, DWI with child endangerment occurs when a person is arrested for driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, while a child under the age of 17 is in the vehicle. This is treated as a form of child abuse, which elevates the seriousness of the charge significantly. Prosecutors often pursue these cases aggressively. Every case is different. But possible penalties for DWI with child endangerment in Missouri include enhanced criminal penalties. A DWI with child endangerment charge can be prosecuted as a Class D felony if it is your first offense and a Class C felony for repeat offenders. This can lead to longer jail time, higher fines, and extended license revocation to suspension. Child Protective Services involvement. In addition to criminal charges, a DWI with a child in the vehicle might lead to investigations by Missouri's Department of Social Services, possibly impacting your parental rights. Increased insurance rates. Insurance companies may consider you a high-risk driver, leading to boosted premiums or even the cancellation of your coverage. License suspension or revocation. A conviction can lead to the suspension or revocation of your driver's license for an extended period, making it difficult to meet daily responsibilities. Due to these potentially life-altering consequences, it's essential to work with a Combs Waterkotte defense attorney who specializes in DWI cases, particularly those involving child endangerment. Aggressive DWI with child endangerment defense in Missouri? The Combs Waterkotte DWI defense attorneys take a comprehensive approach to every case, defending your rights and future, while challenging the prosecution to prove every element. They demand answers to: did law enforcement have probable cause to initiate a traffic stop? Was there sufficient reasonable suspicion that you were under the influence? Is the officer's report and testimony aligned with video footage and other supporting evidence? Did the breathalyzer produce accurate BAC readings, and can the results be challenged or excluded? Were you consistently watched prior to taking the breath test, as required by Missouri protocol? Could any biological, physical, or medical conditions have led to unusually high BAC levels? Our legal team recognizes how important your child is to you. When you choose us to defend you, we will represent you with dedication, expertise, and determination, striving to successfully challenge both the DWI and child endangerment charges. What is considered child endangerment in Missouri? According to Missouri Revised Statute, Section 568.045, an individual commits the offense of endangering the welfare of a child in the first degree if they knowingly acts in a manner that creates a substantial risk to the life, body, or health of a child less than 17 years old. Knowingly encourages, aids, or causes a child less than 17 years old to engage in an offense involving a controlled substance, drug possession, delivery, distribution, trafficking, or manufacturing. Knowingly engages in sexual conduct with a person below 17 years old over whom the individual is a parent, guardian, or otherwise charged with the care and custody. Unlawfully manufactures compounds, possesses, produces, prepares, sells, transports, tests, or analyzes amphetamine or methamphetamine in the presence of a child below 17 years. A DWI with child endangerment charge is a serious matter that calls for skilled legal representation. At Combs Waterkotte, we offer the expertise, resources, and personalized attention needed to fight for the best possible outcome. Give us a call as soon as possible at 314-900-HELP or reach out online to schedule a confidential consultation with an expert DWI/DUI defense attorney. Learn more about Combs Waterkotte's Missouri DWI/DUI defense and types of cases: aggravated DWI, celebrity and public official, high-profile DWI cases, unlawful police stops, DWI assault, DWI serious injury, DWI resulting in death, open container violations, boating while intoxicated, DWI/DUI, hit and run DWI, felony DWI, 350 DWIS, DWI first offense, DWI second offense, DWI accidents, DWI with drugs, DWI with marijuana. How can a DWI with child endangerment lawyer help me in St. Louis, Missouri? We understand that good people find themselves in unfortunate situations. Combs, Waterkotte's Street. Louis DWI with Child Endangerment Defense Team is dedicated to defending our clients' rights and achieving the best possible solution for them and their families. If you're charged with DWI with child endangerment, contact a lawyer immediately. What a Combs Waterkotte lawyer does: protects your record and reputation, offers personalized defense strategies, minimizes any penalties, offers emotional and legal support. What happens without a Combs Waterkotte lawyer? Greater likelihood of conviction, permanent damage to your record, increased risk of severe penalties, emotional stress and uncertainty. Combs Waterkotte's expertise in DWI and child endangerment defense. DWI with child endangerment cases require a defense attorney who not only understands the ins and outs of Missouri's DWI laws, but also has extensive expertise in handling sensitive cases involving child-related offenses. The Combs-Waterkotte defense attorneys have experience defending clients against DWI charges, including those involving child endangerment. Our expertise allows us to craft strategic defenses that target the specific issues and evidence in your case. Resources to strengthen your Missouri DWI with child endangerment defense. At Combs-Waterkotte, we collaborate with professionals who can provide valuable insights and evidence to support your case. We have a network full of child welfare experts. If Child Protective Services become involved, having expert testimony or evaluations regarding the child's well-being can be vital in protecting your custody or visitation rights. Toxicology specialists to challenge the results of chemical tests, like breathalyzers and blood tests. Accident reconstruction experts. If your case involves a traffic accident, expert analysis can help determine whether intoxication played a role. Personalized attention to your DWI with child endangerment defense. The Combs-Waterkotte lawyers understand that facing a DWI with child endangerment charge is an incredibly stressful situation. Our client-centered approach includes open communication. You'll never have to wonder what's happening with your case or what your legal options are. Compassionate representation. We're here to provide the support you need while we fight to protect your rights, future, and freedom. Personalized legal guidance. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all defense strategies. We work with you to develop a defense that's tailored to you and your specific circumstances.